is arbitrage, one of my favorite words. All right, so this isn't necessarily a crypto term, though it's more of a financial term. In fact, one of the first things that I did online before I even got involved in FX was sports betting arbitrage, way back in the day. So what arbitrage is basically when it comes to financial assets, you're basically buying and selling the same asset through different gateways or via different types of products to take advantage of price differences. Simple as that. So basically, what does that mean in like real world terms? Well, let's say in crypto, you have an exchange in Europe selling Bitcoin at 10,000 euros. And then you have an exchange, let's say in China, that's selling Bitcoin at equivalent to 15,000 euros. Well, you go in Europe, you buy a Bitcoin, you move it over, you sell it in China, you bought it for 11, you sold it for 15. Imagine you could automate this and do it, a million times a second. Obviously, you need to have a lot of liquidity to be able to do that because there's no such thing as credit for the most part on crypto exchanges, but you get the idea. So there are different types of arbitrage, by the way. There's triangular arbitrage, where triangular arbitrage is basically where you take pairings of assets, normally in the FX business. So you would take like Euro USD, let's say Euro GBP, and USD GBP. And you would triangular arbitrage between those three pairs as they fluctuate. As one moves faster than the other, you would be buying and selling the other assets to try to make money on that price differential between the three. You then have latency arbitrage, where on the same platform, you are basically looking for ways to beat the platform. So you'll have a fast account and a slow account. You go to a fast broker that has a very fast data feed and a slow broker with a very slow data feed. And you basically buy and sell, and inside the time of that time difference, you get a price difference. Anyway, there's also leg arbitrage. There's different types of arbitrage. Let's just put it that way. So that's what arbitrage is. It's very difficult in mature markets because mature markets tend to price out arbitrage opportunities. In immature markets, though, a blind mouse with one, do they call them paws? What do you call it with a paw? What do you call a rat? Finger? I don't know how you call it. Anyway, their hands. I don't know, whatever. A blind rat with like one arm could probably knock out an arbitrage opportunity on Bitcoin right now. That's why, when I talk to most people and they say, I'm a Bitcoin trader. And I go, yeah, what do you do? Arbitrage? And they're like, yeah, yeah, great. Means you're not a genius.